CHZ generally faces opposition at $20, or so they certainly thought. CHZ down roughly 242% inside that for the most part most recent 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. CHZ pair exchanging underneath a May 20, which really is genuinely huge. Chilliz sort of shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an especially significant manner. 05 April 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues FAXE. What explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ a genuinely wise venture, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they explicitly thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the CHZ specialized examination, especially let us most certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which especially is very critical, market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to 492, 603, 616, 514, exhibiting how CHZ in every practical sense faces obstruction at $20, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume truly remains at $105, 179 at 779.26, showing how 05 April 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some things facts. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, explicitly is CHZ an excellent venture, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. Exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 world level after a decay of 59% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value decline of 3.8% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere near $857 and at present exchanging at $172.88 in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a huge way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending heading for truly present moment, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they truly thought. As of now, a truly broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So 05 April 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually really got clarification on some pressing issues FAQE. What especially is especially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz, generally is CHZ an essentially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how CHZ pair exchanging underneath MR20, or so they fundamentally thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases especially become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers truly become moved pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $105, 179, 779.26, exhibiting how 05 April 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on some things facts. What in a real sense is by and large transient cost expectation for Chilliz, generally is CHZ a wise speculation, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ most certainly is $1.14, down 242% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 654% throughout the week, showing how Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, certainly is somewhere near 857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88, which sort of is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 101,783,889 USD, while truly complete market cap came to $1,229,287,373 USD in a fundamentally significant manner. There by and large are practically 888, 289 to 967 for the most part are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how CHZ's pair exchanging beneath MA20, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz value examination CHZ cost investigation for 5 April 2024 inside a truly everyday time period most certainly made sense of underneath. Also, they sort of thought. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving, midpoints including most certainly basic moving, truly normal smart and remarkable moving sort of normal are made to sort of dissect the future development of the Chilliz, showing how 5 April 2024. In this video we will by and large walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually, especially got clarification on pressing issues fakes. What in every practical sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz truly is CHZ an especially wise interest in a really significant manner. The kind of relative strength record RSI for CHZ coin most certainly is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days kind of normal line, which especially implies CHZ fundamentally is in oversold zone and a pattern essentially inversion especially is conceivable, which truly shows that the very relative strength file RSI for CHZ coin by and large is right now floating at 28 for 14 days for the most part normal line, which basically implies CHZ certainly is in oversold zone and a pattern especially inversion really is conceivable, which certainly is very critical. The coin is going down as it in every practical sense break under two vital help levels of $0.17 and $15, exhibiting how Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to all things considered, distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how CHZ's pair exchanging beneath MA20 in an especially large way. The market in a real sense isn't reasonable for bulls, and especially bears could especially